He's in a pickle.
Scotty, I need your help.
So he's without any clothes, and he got kicked out of a drug house, I think. And he came to our substation, and he needs some clothes. You can, yeah. Don't touch it.
Scotty. Run around like this.
So he left that in the middle of the street?
What's going on with you, Chief? Hey, I'm always here. Where am I always here when you die? Man.
Dude, you gotta get some clothes.
I know. Help me out.
What's your
Help
name?
me out, man. You know who I am?
What is it?
Frank Scales. You remember me? You drove me. You scared the shit out of me.
When?
Oh, that was a while back.
You ain't got any warrants, do you, Frank?
Not that I know.
Were you? Yeah.
My roommates being an asshole, stole my clothes, paid my rent, and kicked me out.
What's your birthday? We have a walker, but this
What?
Stay over here, buddy.
He ain't gonna help me out now.
He's running you real quick. You wanna sit down? You want a medic? You want something?
Can I get some water?
No, we don't have water. Do you want a medic?
195.81.
No, I need some clothes, man.
Well, I don't have clothes for you.
Yeah.
Well, fucking, you can't do nothing if fucking somebody steal your clothes.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know about make motherfuckers give my goddamn clothes back. I mean, I help these motherfuckers back. At least give me money back for paying my rent.
Dope house, ain't it? What are you paying rent in a dope house for?
That's what my pro officer was saying.
So you gave money to some dope boys to rent a room,
No,
and then they kicked you out.
They're not dope boys.
So the calls to that house are telling us a little different.
What was they saying?
It's a drug house. $195. Are you holding?
So why is it every time? When you go to jail,
Negative.
somebody stole your roommate stole your clothes.
No, I'm not holding it.
I know, I'm still covered though.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened?
So
First off, where do you live?
fucking helping out. Fucking third shift last night. I was helping out third shift last night.
So you cut your finger open.
Yeah, man. Motherfuckers on some sketch shit.
Yeah.
They was trying to blow up motherfucking phones and shit.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have a
Are you
second.
sure?
I swear to God.
Okay. John, Adam.
Just
476.
Gotcha. Yeah. I appreciate it.
Do you need another incident?
Well,
All right. So,
Not at this time.
what are you wanting from the police?
101.
I want to get my fucking rent back so I get some clothes.
Yeah, that ain't happening.
Parcel code points clear.
If you went over there to buy dope,
Can I get a? I don't know. So how do I get me some clothes? Sir?
193, you'll be clear.
Can I use the phone to call my buddy Scotty?
no. Who's Scotty?
Scott Blair.
Scott Blair?
Yes.
What do you want him to do? Come here?
Come bring me some clothes. Yeah.
Okay, watch.
Please.
Does the Hope Center got closed there? I think they got it closed there. Shit. You know where the Hope Center is?
No.
Right there on Wheatland.
I don't want to walk up there like this though. That's why I like to call my dude up.
They'll give you clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a.
My dude, he'll give me clothes though. If I just call him.
We'll call him. You're not touching the phone though.
Alright.
where's he live?
He lives out west, someplace.
467, right? Yes. What's the phone number? Start over with the correct one. And his name is Scotty.
Yes.
What's your name, partner?
I'm Frank Scales.
Frank Scales?
Yeah, sure.
What does he know you by? Frankie?
I was trying to help out all last night.
What does he know you by? Frankie?
I was trying to help out all last night. They got mad at me because motherfuckers was doing shit to pull down everybody's school, man. Somebody tried to put some shit up around me, man. I thought you thought I was helping. So I dug up around the pole and shit, man, so the motherfuckers they wouldn't blow up. Kenny G taught me some shit, man.
Hey, is this Scotty?
Yes.
Hey, your buddy Frankie is in a pickle. This is Officer Jacobs with the Columbus Police Department. He's in a pickle.
Scotty, I need your help.
So he's without any clothes, and he got kicked out of a drug house, I think. And he came to our substation, and he needs some clothes. You can, yeah. Don't touch it.
Scotty. Fucking Roger on some scrap shit. All my clothes got taken, and then all the fucking everything. He started fucking trying to blow me the fuck up. Yeah.
Are you naked?
No, I got on some Tonto shit going on, but I need some clothes.
He's basically naked.
I need some.
I'll be there. Like, give me like an hour, right? I'll be there.
An hour? No, Scotty. I need you now. I'm going. You'll be where? Where, here? At the police station. I can't go to Dollar General like this. Think I can stand out like this?
Should be some clothes over there.
Well, they ain't gonna give me no clothes.
No, I'm saying out by the store. I think there's a drop off over there.
About when? I'm missing. The Dollar General, I guess. That's I don't know, man. I'm about to start walking up there towards you because they all some bullshit. At the Dollar General. The Dollar General on the hilltop. Now, can I get a glass of water?
I don't have a glass of water. Let me drive over to Dollar General and see if there's some clothes laying around. At least some shorts or something. Better than what you got, right?
I owe you everything, man, for real. You know that, man.
I know. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. Just had some guy show up to the substation wearing a t-shirt tied around his waist.
30150, almost like
Half of a t-shirt.
153.
Thanks, man. Have a good night. What's these on?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This lady handed me some fucking shorts. People doing some funny ass shit around here.
Well, those are women's pants, but they're joggers. Better than nothing, right?
Yeah, better than nothing.
And they're clean.
God bless you, man. How do I pay you back?
Stay out of trouble. Don't steal any cars. That was the last time I dealt with you when you stole
Yeah, I
that
know.
car from me.
I was wrong.
Those are probably big, but it was either that or small.
You're already stretching.
Yeah, they're jogging pants. Should hold you over till your friend gets here, right?
Yeah.
You're going.
Hey, do me a favor.
What?
Everybody's gonna steal my new shoes. Can you stand here so I put these on?
Yeah, put them on. You come over this back over the sub, I'll give you a pop.
Hey.
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Listen, man.
Chug that, and I can refill it for you. Stay out of the street, okay? We'll go over there and wait on your buddy. What'd you cut your hand on, that string?
Yeah.
Check it up, come on. I'm putting this on to grab that bottle when you're done with it.
I'm drinking all and saving. I might need it.
I'm gonna fill it up for you.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor.
Yep.
You have a good day.
Take care.
I'll call you.